This problem is called happy number. A happy number is a number can be defined by the following process. Firstly, start with a positive integer and replace the number by the sum of the squares of its digits. If it can end in 1, then it is a happy number. Otherwise, it is not. For example, the given number is 19. First step is split the 19 into 1 and 9, square and sum them to 82, and split them again to 8 and 2, square and sum them to 68, and split them again to 6 and 8, square them and sum them to 100, and split them to 1 and double 0, and square them and sum them to 1. So 19 is a happy number.
This problem looks easy. Just need to split into digits, square them and sum them, then keep repeating till 1. Yes, if it is a happy number, it is easy. But how about if it is not? How to indicate if it is not a happy number? To answer it, we firstly need to find out if this sequence is divergent or convergent. Let's put an extreme case. Let's assume the start number is 999. The next will be 9 squares plus 9 squares plus 9 squares, which is equal to 243, which is much less than 999. If we try other numbers like even more 9s, we will get the same result. It will be even less than the start number. In other words, all the results in the following steps will be limited in certain range, and 1 is probably one of them. In this case, how can this sequence not end in 1? Yes, you must guess it, loop. It is possible, after several steps, it will back to the current number, and it just infinity loop inside, and never meet 1. Let's take a look at the code. In the isHappy function, we have a subfunction which is called getNext. What is this function doing is given a number, it will return the next number. We will get this function in details later. Let's look at the main function. So firstly, it will initialize a set which we call visited. It will store all the numbers visited, and then define a current number. To start with, it's equal to the passing n. And then, when the current number is not 1, and the current number is not visited, which means not in the loop, then it will doing two things. Once, add this current number into the visited set, and then get the next one, then just loop. So finally, it will check if the current number is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then this one is a happy number. Otherwise, not. Let's have a quick look of the getNext subfunction. So it actually just split this number into digits and square them and sum them and return it. That's it.